Countdown. Counting down the 10 biggest hits of the week. Alright, Metro Manila, give it a quick check. And it's now 46 minutes after 11 o'clock. And on a beautiful Saturday morning. Siyempre, welcome po sa ating Love Radio Top 10 Countdown. And welcome to our Love Lounge. Ito yung pinakagusto kong part ng countdown dahil nakakapagtagalog na ako. Mahirap mag-English ng mag-English. Ewan ko ba kay Tonton, bakit may ganituhan pangyayari? But anyway, mga kabisyo, eto na po, gaya po ng sabi ko kanina, may makakasama po tayo dito sa Love Lounge. Hindi na po natin patatagalin. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Hazel Faith in the house!
Bisyo. Hi sa mga sweeties there.
Alright. Okay, so Hazel Faith, kamusta naman?
Okay naman po. Pagod, pero okay naman.
Yan. Thank you very much dahil napaunlakan mo yung aming invitasyon. At syempre, shout out din tayo sa mga supporters na nandito. Ayan, welcome. Oh, di ba? Pakita din natin. Yan. Oh, yes. Ganun yan. Support. Okay, Hazel Faith. Bakit Hazel? Is that your real name?
That's my real name po,
okay.
Yes. Dati, gino-joke ng mama ko, hindi ko alam kung totoo po ito, pero may urban legend ng pangalan ko.
Okay.
Sabi nila, Faith daw talaga yung second name na plano ng mama ko. Pero hindi niya maisip ko ano yung first name ko. So parang bigla na lang daw dun sa hospital, may sumigaw sa labas ng bintana, Hazel! Yun yung urban legend na alala ko. Mama, confirm or deny ko, bahala.
Kaya naging Hazel Faith. Okay. Now, gusto kong malaman yung gusto naming malaman actually, hindi lang ako, syempre yung nakikinig si Manong driver na nagda-drive ngayon. Gusto naming malaman paano nagsimula yung journey mo as an artist.
Medyo mahaba po yung kwento kasi it's a lot of parang hapyaw-hapyaw na pag pinagsama mo, pag pinagtagpi-tagpi mo, okay, that makes sense. Parang ganon.
Okay, so you write songs, di ba?
Yes po.
So, kailan nagsimula to? What makes it inspired?
I was writing songs non-professionally since I was like 12, 14.
What? Wow.
Love language ko po talaga siya. So, kung may favorite teacher ako, I'll write a song for that teacher.
Wow.
Parang ganon. And
galing
then,
naman.
when I turned 18, sabi namin, ipang-giveaway natin sa debut yung mga kanta ko.
Okay.
So, I started, that was my first time getting into a studio, meeting producers, and then na-encourage nila ako to maybe try mo maging actual songwriter.
Okay.
So I was like giving my songs to demos to different labels and I kept getting shut down. They were like, walang makikinig sa kanta mo. Meron talaga.
Ay, ganun talaga.
Yes.
Kasi ako, before I get into radio, 3 beses ako nag-apply at the same radio station. Hindi ko tinanggap. Tapos sabi ko, darating yung araw, mauubos yung magagaling. Di ba? Mauubusin yan sila. So, darating din yung araw na and the rest is history. Same with you, di ba?
Yes po. When I got into Himig Handog, that was when it became like, parang that was it. Na ako rin ang pinili nila na interpreter ng sarili kong kanta. So, that kind of like fully opened the door for me. Well,
I would say in God's perfect time talaga eh. Kung minsan kinakailangan mo lang pagdaanan yun kasi hindi ka pa hinog eh. You're not ready yet to di ba? So, pag dumating yung time talagang buhos naman, di ba?
Yes
po. Buhos, sobra-sobra naman. Now, I wanna know yung mga influence mo pagdating sa music mo.
Sa music, ay naku, nakakatawa po kasi you played it kanina. Earth, Wind and Fire. Earth, Wind and Fire kasi nung kabataan ko, mahilig talaga ang parents ko sa Earth, Wind and Fire.
Okay.
May Gary V dyan, may Jose Marichan dyan. Meron ding mga Piano in the Dark, yung mga Shaka Khan. So talagang very that era.
Okay.
And then I think my fangirlism din sa K-pop mixed that with the
so it's
era
a fusion
of that time.
Kaya yung vibe ng mga songs mo it's pretty cool. Medyo hindi siya luma. May andun yung resemblance ng vibe ng old schools, at the same time andyan din yung bago.
Yes.
And you just mentioned a while ago yung name Jose Marichan. Parang narinig ko parang may something big event that's coming in. Ang
galing niyo mo mag-segue. Pero kasi ako po yung magkakaroon ng concert. My very first major concert sa Music Museum on February 29th. At magiging guest ko po dyan si Mr. Jose Marichan.
Siyempre, sino ba hindi nakakakilala? Icon na yun si Jose Marichan November pa lang, sumisilip na yun. Actually, September yung noo niya lumalabas na. November yung mata, ando na.
Kahit pa paano po this February, medyo gumanon.
Oo. So ngayon ba, lalabas ulit si Jose Marichan. Okay, so again, about the concert, ano bang pwede nilang ma-expect sa
yes.
concert
Well,
mo?
the concert is entitled Kilig Pa More. It brought to you by True Creator Studios. And I will be guested by Jose Marichan and my husband, Caleb Santos, the singer of I Need You More Today.
Wow.
From Isang Daan Tula Para Kay Stella and other artists as well. And then this concert is really all about my growth in the music industry, starting from my most viral song, Kinikilig. And just to say that there is more kilig pa after Kinikilig.
Wow.
And then at the same time, since it's leap year, we wanted to claim for everybody na kahit tapos na yung February, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung kilig. That's why Kilig Pa More.
Leap year pa lang ngayon, ano?
Yes po.
Okay, ngayon ko lang realize Oo nga pala, may 29. In fact, ngayon po is ang February, kasi February 14 was the anniversary of Love Radio, and we are celebrating our 49th year. Ayan, so okay, so paano sa mga gusto makakuha ng tickets on your concert, saan sila pwedeng...
Yes po. Concert tickets are available online at ticketmelon.com. Pero pwede nyo rin pong bilhin sa Music Museum itself. And this Sunday po, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Available din po ang ticket selling sa church namin, National City United Church sa West Triangle po.
Yan. If you don't mind, what's your religion?
I'm a born-again Christian po.
Same here, kapatid.
Sorry po sa mga nakikinig sa sigaw ko. Hindi ko in-expect.
Praise God. Alright. So, eto na. Kanina tinanong mo yung may mga set of cards tayo dyan na nasa harap mo. Well, may mga colors yan. We got yellow, red, green, etc. So, ngayon, pipili ka and may set of questions dyan and then try to answer it. Okay. Here we
Pwede
go.
ba akong tulungan ng team ko? Guys, sabihan niyo ako ng stop, magmi-mini-mini-mini.
Okay, let's go.
Ready, set, go. Mini-mini, mo, sino ba pipi?
Alright, the green one.
Oy,
The question is...
What's the craziest thing you've ever done and would you do it again?
Okay. Eto na.
Feeling ko marami akong crazy things na ginawa.
Okay.
Wait, ano nga ba? Mahal, ano nga ba?
Para sa sobrang dami. Okay, kailangan nyo ng tulong.
The craziest thing I ever did was
5,
hindi ko maisip.
4.
Getting married during pandemic.
Oh,
yeah.
Really?
We had a pandemic wedding. So it was crazy because we only had a few months to get ready, and syempre pa iba-iba po yung regulations ng time na yon. So it was a big risk, but thankfully our loved ones were there, and if they weren't there, they were online. So we live streamed the
Actually,
wedding.
sa totoo lang, it's a good decision dahil nakatipid kayo. Di ba wala kayong masyadong gastos? Kasi bawal naman. Sobrang tipid yun, di ba? Okay, I think it's not crazy.
Practical.
It's practical, yan. Okay, meron pa tayong oras, so let's go.
One more. Favorite color ka na lang.
Red.
Ito.
Okay.
Describe something you'd hate to do for real but find kinky to think about. Oh my gulay. I wouldn't consider this kinky, but I would jump off a helicopter into the ocean.
What?
Ay, gusto ko.
Bro, tama ba yung pinakasalan? Ngayon mo lang din nalaman. Imagine mo, sasakay sa helicopter tapos sa talo. Kaya mo bang gawin yun sa kanya?
Hindi, kasi dati po dinadala ako talaga ng mga dad ko sa mga adventures sa mga mountains and we would jump off cliffs into the water. So, medyo sanay na ako doon.
Wow.
Pero hindi ko pa na-try sa ocean.
Alright, so anyway, so thank you for that. Dahil game ka. So anyway, so I'll give you this opportunity to invite everyone. Oh, by the way, let's talk about pala the single. Nakalimutan natin. Sarap na kwentuhan natin about your single nga pala, okay?
Yes, so along with the concert, I also have a new song out now. It's called Tamang Kilig, and it harkens back to Kinikilig, my hit song. But it talks about finding the right kind of kilig.
Okay.
Kasi sometimes nakikilig tayo pero sa red flag na guy.
Yeah.
So, itong lesson na to ay tungkol sa finding the right type of kilig and the rewarding happiness that comes with it. Ngayon, kasama na rin tungkol sa pagmamahal ko kay Mahal.
Wow! Sana oil. Okay, so again, as I've said a while ago, grab this opportunity to thanks. Again, invite them to go to your concert. Mga pasalamatan mo, sponsors mo, bring it on.
Yes, I would like to invite you guys sa aking first ever major concert sa Music Museum on February 29th. That is brought to you by True Creator Studio. Kasama ko po si Caleb Santos and Mr. Jose Marie Chan. And I want to thank our sweeties listening right now. Maraming salamat, sweeties. Kuya Jack, andyan kayo. Mama ko, hi, mami. And then, yung mga kasama ko ngayon sa likod ko, Hazel Faith team right now. Maraming salamat sa mga supportive friends ko. And I want to thank Dr. Ace Beauty and Wellness Center, Humble Studios, and I will thank even more when I think about it. wait lang.
Kaya mo yan.
MVPS Cabling, thank you. Everest, and sorry po, wait lang
It's
po.
okay. Take your time.
Sige, mahal pa tingin.
What about yung social medias mo?
Oh yeah, and then
accounts?
please follow me sa aking mga socials. Just search for Hazel Faith and look for the blue check. Kung hindi niyo po makita yung blue check, tignan na lang pag mumukha kong pink hair.
Yan! Oo.
Ito po, nakuha ko na yung sponsors. We would like to thank Everest Appliances, MBPS Cabling Corporation, Dr. Ace Beauty and Wellness Center, Humble Castle Studio, National City United Church, CDLC Management Consultancy Service, Studio 4th, Northern Communications LS Cable. Maraming salamat po for supporting.
And one more thing, curious ako, is it a thing for both of you, yung color ng hair? Sino na pasimula? Bro, napilitan ka lang ba?
Pag tinignan niyo po lahat ng team ko, lahat colored hair na
napilitan. Ikaw pala yung pasimula.
Banding po pala namin mag-bleach.
Sorry, can't relate. Sorry, can't relate.
Panoorin niyo sa live stream para makita niyo kung bakit.
Ayun nga yung, di ba, palatandaan mo, di ba, dapat may blue check. So, pag walang color, hindi ikaw yun. Ang sabi ko naman, hanapin niyo po ako sa social media. Pag may buhok, hindi po ako yan. Mga impostor yan. Okay, now, gusto namin marinig live. Pwede bang pasample?
Sige po, nung tamang kilig.
Okay.
Here it is. Ano to? Sorry, ang hirap magsimula from chorus. Sa wakas, nasa tamang kilig na ako. Sa wakas, nasa tamang kilig na ako. Sulit lahat ng palya, kung sa'yo din lang pala mapupunta. Sa wakas, nasa tamang kilig na ako.
Wow, yun talaga yung purpose kasi pinapasok kayo para mapalak.
Metronome. Sila po yung tamang pacing. Okay.
Okay, maraming salamat. So wala ka na nakalimutan, baka may magdampo.
Kung magtampo mo po kayo, I love you. Sorry.
Alright, thank you very much once again and good luck to your concert. So again, sa mga kabisyo po natin if may time po kayo, pumunta po kayo sigurado. Kung na-enjoy niyo po yung usapan, kwentuhan namin dito, what more? Kung nagpe-perform na po si Hazel Faith, sigurado mag-i-enjoy kayo. Thank you very much! And here we go! Eto na, paparinig na po natin. Here's a song coming from Hazel Faith, Tamang Kilig, right here on Love Radio's Top 10 Countdown.
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic!